everyone, and welcome back to the channel. T5 here with Becky the Truckie. It's gala night on board the MSC Splendida, and we're going to take you into Deck 7 Sports Bar, take you around, show you what the sports bar looks like compared to other MSC ships that we've toured, and we'll get up to the bar. We'll probably do a drink and let you know what we think. So let's pop on in and see. Oh, Valencia, we were there yesterday. I couldn't figure out how to get a Valencia shirt imported. It is super rare. Becky got one at the Oceanographic Institute, but the one that they had two biggest sizes, and if it's a t-shirt for me and it's down to my knees, I feel like I'm in a dress. So not saying that's not okay or any of that sort of thing. It's just for me it's a little bit long, so I didn't get that. So I would be interested in getting a Valencia shirt, but there's some of the sports attire right there, and let's just take you on in so you can see. So they've got some TVs over here if you're looking for a soccer match, football, that sort of thing. They're gonna have quite a few. They've got a beautiful back bar over here. I think they're giving out a little free champanska or champagne, whichever you call it, right over there for gala. And they've got a lot of options over here. Let's just poke on over and see what they've got. I'm seeing some champagne options up here, a little bit of Bel Air. They've got, if you're looking for whiskey, really they have a lot of options for whiskey on board. I'm seeing Remy Martin, a little VSOP. They've got Martelli, they've got Maker's Mark, Jameson, that sort of thing, Bailey's. They always got coffee service. You can get the Peroni Italian beers at this bar. They don't always have them at the other bars. This one is actually called not just the sports bar, it's the sport fun bar. They've got a little different type of logo. And yeah, let's walk around real fast. They've got the mini bowling. They don't have the full-size bowling right here, but if you want to pay, it's just right there. Not sure, it's usually like $6 or $7. Probably that's euros this time, which is like $8 or $9 US. We're losing a little bit to the Europeans on our exchange rate lately, but that's we'll see how that works out in the long run. We've got the Highway 66 signs over here. You can do a little Pac-Man style ski ball, really, and they put a middle barrier there. I guess people get a little cray and the old the skeet goes into the air. They've got some authentic Ferrari style racing gear. That's going to be open wheel racing, of course, European style, and yeah, it's a nice little venue. So I think we'll just pop on over to the bar and we'll try to have a little beverage. Okay, let's see what we've got on the menu. So we did have the Voyagers Club party. They got yellow seats in this one. This is kind of like the older style sports bars, but we do notice that they all have sports bars. Our very first cruise, they had the Meraviglia sports bar up top, and we didn't know we could use our cruise cards at the sports bar. Wow, that was...
we thought it was like a specialty.
We were rookies back then, but anyway, this is something new. They're doing a little free champagne tonight on gala night. We've not seen that on the other ships, so cheers. We'll do a little sip. Join us if you can. Go for it. Not too bad. And I think we're gonna do the what was it, the Mare and Elderflower martinis. GT. So GT. All right, well, we'll get those drinks ordered up and join us for a little sample, and then we got to get to dinner, and we've got a show we've never seen tonight. That's also rare, since we've been we do this quite a bit, I guess, these days. But yeah, we're having a great time. Oh, there's one of our favorite bartenders right there. All right, so we're doing a little Saint Germain gin. They've got a little elderflower liqueur, a little beef eater in there, and really, it's a beautiful ship, really. And we've had, I would say, the bar service has been the highlight of the trip. The food has been hit or miss. Sometimes it's good. We had a nice dinner last night. I had a really nice appetizer the other day. But if you're interested in sampling some different types of drinks, this is a great ship. They really do a great job of you know, their showmanship and the presentation and everything like that. And they're very friendly staff. We've had 3 or 4 that we've written the names down for some good reviews for them, and we'll see in just a few seconds when those drinks are up. Beautiful. So pretty. Just did a gorgeous job. Look at the presentation. You couldn't have made that stand up any prettier. I mean, that was just amazing. Thank you. Okay, there they are. Beautiful presentation. Got some information on the contracts and the crew staff here, and they're quite well compensated, really, from what we just heard. So that's great. Take good care of them, but they're having a good go, and we're having a great time. So, all right, this is going to be the elderflower, and I don't know that we've had this one. It's got a little wine in it. And, we'll do a cheers. Okay, maybe one more cheers. There it is. And join us if you can. We'll give a good sample here. The mint was right on the nose for that for me.
Oh, yeah.
It comes through. It's got a little lime hint.
Wow.
And it's a little bubbly. It's refreshing. You got to be careful on these because you don't really taste the alcohol in them. They make them really well. And I don't know why I like this iced glass, this size.
Yeah.
You feel like you're getting a little bang for your buck, I guess, that sort of thing. Sometimes it's a shorter glass, but it's got the premium, so either way. But yeah, we're just having a great time on board here. We've got one more day on board the ship, and then we'll spend 2 nights in Rome. So we'll tour Rome. We're going to do the Pantheon and the Colosseum and the Vatican and that sort of thing. We pre-booked some pizzas at the Vatican. I'm looking forward to that. We'll see how the Pope makes pizza. I don't know that it'll make them personally, but that would be cool.
Probably not personally.
If you got the time, that'd be awesome. But if not, yeah, we're having a great time. So thanks for joining us on this one, and we'll see you soon at the next review. All right, cheers everyone.